All right, so let me show you how to turn on Hey Google on your Galaxy Z TriFold. So if you have the Google Assistant or Gemini and you can only access it via button, let me show you how to use it hands-free by turning on Hey Google. So you want to go into settings. Actually, you want to go to the Google app. So just find the Google folder and launch the Google app. In the Google app, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and then select settings. Under settings, you want to go to Google Assistant, tap on that. And then at the top of that page, you will see voice match, tap on that. And then you should see, Hey Google, turn that on. Now, once you turn it on, it's going to give you this sort of a little tutorial. So just tap on turn on and then set up voice match for your account to do more by talking. So let's go ahead and turn this on. So you have to agree and then, okay, Google, help me write a thank you note. So it's basically listening to you, trying to learn your voice. Okay, Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Hey, Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Hey, Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. So once it tries to learn your voice by giving you prompts and you have to read them out loud, it's gonna tell you you're ready and then you're done. Simple as that. Now you can choose that you want Google to save your audio or you can choose not now if you don't want that. So, and you can see that button is now on. Now, if you find that Google Assistant is not hearing you properly, you can choose retrain voice match model and then just go ahead and retrain Google Assistant. Okay, but from now on, you can simply say, Hey Google, how is the weather like today?
In Nairobi, it'll be sunny with a high of 28 and a low of 15. Right now, it's 18 and sunny.
So that is basically how to set up Google Assistant, or rather Hey Google, on your Galaxy Z TriFold. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe,
I think you
and
might mean the Galaxy Z.
good luck.